Hello, welcome to Yemizkitchen, where we cook authentic African dishes, African menu with all American ingredients. My name is Yemi and welcome to my kitchen. Thank you for my new subscriber and for my old subscriber. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for subscribing and liking my channel and giving me nice feedback. Today, I'm going to be making ginger drink. Just during summertime, something that's healthy that you can drink and you can make yourself. So this ginger drink is made basically ginger. This is what ginger looks like. I should have filmed it before I peel it, but this is what ginger look like. And this is like almost a pound of it that I bought from Walmart that's peeled already. Ginger is a root and it's very medicinal, very nutritious. It has a lot of things that it carries with it. So I'm basically going to blend the ginger with, I'm going to put some lemon in it, and we're going to need three lime, and this is optional if you want to use vanilla. I'm going to be using vanilla for mine to make it taste good, and it's up to you. And I have cloves. I'm going to put cloves in this when I'm serving it. And you can use honey, you can use sugar, whatever you need to make it sweet, but it has to be sweet because this is very strong. So let's go. I have peeled it. I'm going to pulverize it and I'm going to sift it. So let's see what I do with this. Juice in it. That's the lemon juice and this is the vanilla, lemon juice and the lime juice. This is my sweetener, which is gonna be my honey. I'm going to blend it. When I finish blending, I sift it again. Okay. Doing the second time. This is the shaft from the sifting. You can still use it to cook your soup or to cook your food. The ginger is still there. This ginger drink is so strong, so you have to dilute it several times. I have the canister, it's in my jug, and it's still very strong plus all the sugar. So I'm going to serve it in my cups for my family, but I'm going to put some ice in it. There's already ice in it, but I'm still going to dilute it. Okay, I put some lemon in it for them to enjoy for dinner. Ginger lemon juice completed. As you can see, I sifted this ginger 3 times just to get all the roughage out of it. It's up to you. If you want to drink a slushy, leave some roughage. If you don't, sift it up like I did. I did as much as possible. It is still very, very strong. I would advise you to dilute it with a lot of water. I'm using honey as my sweetener. So as you can see, I'm trying to decanter it in the cups for my family to enjoy. So, ginger, lemon juice, perfecto, finito, finished. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this and you're recapturing this, please tag me on my social media, on TikTok or on my IG, which is down below. Make sure you tag me and let me see how you're doing. Tag, follow, subscribe, share, and press the notification bell so that you can see my next episode. Thank you for watching. Thank you. There's no Yemizkitchen without you guys. I love you so much. Don't forget, in Yemizkitchen, happiness is a choice. We choose to see our glass half full, never empty. Be happy. Choose to be happy. Your chef, Yemi, at Ginger Lemon Juice today.